Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students, we are going to talk about lecture number 4 today. And today's lecture is about the most important topic, that is time management. Time management, which is a combination of two independent terms, time and management. So we will understand the meaning of both terms first and then explore the multiple dimensions of time management, including its benefits. Let's start our lecture. Time is the most precious thing in our lives. Apong Akua, he said that time is so delicate that it cannot be saved but can only be spent, and once misused it can never be regained. He said very wisely कि गया वक्त फिर आता नहीं. The agenda of today's lecture is that what we are going to study today, that what is time management, attributes of time, importance of time. We are going to study about all of these points. Why the time management important, and then what are those signs which tells that poor time management is this, and personal benefits of time management, that one who can be benefited by utilizing time appropriately, and then what are the drawbacks of lacking time management skill, and then major time management challenges for teachers, and then at the end we are going to study about time management strategies. Therefore, time management can be defined as a period, either short or long, which involves how people use their time to perform a task, event, activity वगैरह, to produce successfully and positive results. But this is not the only definition of time management. मुख्तलिफ लोगों ने इसके बारे में मुख्तलिफ तरीके से बहुत सारे बातें की हैं, जिनके अंदर हम आगे पढ़ते हैं. Claessens and his colleagues have considered time management as types of behavior that differentiate between those people who are well organized and do things on time, stick to deadlines, and spend little time on their unproductive activities, from those people who are very unorganized, often reach late to the classes, pass deadlines, spend much time on productive activities or unimportant matters. Whereas another researcher says Adigier has associated time management that it is a tool or developmental procedure which enhances human capacity building, efficiency and productivity. इससे पहले कि हम टाइम मैनेजमेंट की बात करें, मैं आपको टाइम के बारे में थोड़ी सी बातें बताना चाहूँगी ताकि आपको टाइम की अहमियत का जो है वो अंदाज़ा हो सके. कि अकॉर्डिंग टू ओजो एंड ओलियान, time is a unique resource. One can buy any resources, one can hire through, one can rarely hire enough good people, but one cannot rent, hire, buy, or get more time. You can get more money, more knowledge, more skills, and more friends, more of almost anything except time. तो ये हमें इस चीज़ को ये बड़ी अच्छी तरह से सोचना है कि हाउ यूनिक रिसोर्स जो है ये टाइम है, कि जिसको आप ख़रीद के बढ़ा ही नहीं सकते अपनी मर्ज़ी से. एंड देन द scarcest resource in the universe. When we talk about investing, we are usually discussing time, energy, or money from them, which we are constantly spending but not getting back, is the time. And the other thing, time cannot be replaced by man. Objects can be replaced, but time cannot be replaced, as there will be time in our lives when things simply have to be replaced. As with the passage of time, all the objects related to us keep changing. Our clothes, books, necessities and stuff, कि जूं जूं हम बड़े होते जाते हैं हमारी हर चीज़, हमारी एज हमारे मिजाज के मुताबिक बदलती जाती है, लेकिन टाइम नहीं बदलता. टाइम कैन नॉट बी एक्यूमुलेटेड like money. All employees in legal working environment must have an understanding of the value of time, the cost of wasting time, and techniques available to improve time management. And then time cannot be turned on and off like machine, कि we cannot just ask time to stop till we finish our task, or cannot ask time to bring back the time of 20 years ago when I was a young child. Do you think it's possible? आप में से ये कोई कर सकता है कि अगर मैं आपसे कहूँ कि आप अपने जो है क्लास 5th में चले जाएं और आप और टाइम वहीं पे ही ठहर जाए, या अगर आप कोई फंक्शन के अंदर हैं, आप कोई इन्जॉयमेंट किसी इवेंट में बहुत ज़्यादा कर रहे हैं, तो आप उस टाइम को क्या अगले 10-15 दिन के लिए सेम जगह पे रोक सकते हैं कि ना टाइम चेंज हो, ना जो है डेट चेंज हो, और आप वहीं पे ही जो है इन चीज़ों को करते रहें. फिर हम ये देखते हैं कि टाइम कैन नॉट बी स्टॉक्ड लाइक रॉ मटेरियल, कि हम इसको उठा के स्टोर के अंदर नहीं रख सकते. टाइम इज़ नॉट लाइक डायरेक्ट और इनडायरेक्ट मटेरियल लाइक वुड, lubricant, oils, minerals, light bulbs और grains वगैरह, that I am going to keep this time safe in my cupboard and will spend it after 3 or 4 months at the birthday of my daughter or son. Can we do that? No. Time passes at a predetermined rate. Whatever happens, it is a natural fact that time never stops. Whatever may be said about time, one thing is certain, that we all know what time is intuitively. The 7th edition of Webster Collegiate Dictionary tells us that time is the measured or measurable period during which an action, process, or condition exists or continues, Of course, time is defined by its measurement, and that measurement is of a period during which something occurs. Everybody is equally endowed with the same amount of it, irrespective of his position. इसका भला क्या मतलब हुआ? गौर करें इस चीज़ के ऊपर दैट व्हाट डू द आर्मी चीफ बिल गेट्स, मलका तरन्नुम नूरजहां, प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ एनी कंट्री, and the chef at your local restaurant, and you have in common what you have common? You all have 24 hours in a day. You all have 7 days in a week, 12 months in a year, and 365 days in a year. No one of you gets more time or more days. Time is divided exactly evenly for everyone. The value of time might not be the same for every person, but we all have the same amount of time. Time, like any other scarce resource, must be managed and used judicially and wisely. Good time management allows you to accomplish more in a shorter period of time, which leads to more free time, which lets you take advantage of learning opportunities, lower your stress, and helps you focus, which leads to more career success. Each benefit of time management improves another aspect of your life. To use your time wisely, start by writing down and prioritizing your goals, then assign daily tasks for yourself to take small steps towards achieving these goals. Work on big projects when you feel the most energetic time during day, and be sure to remove distractions like your cell phones so you can focus on your time. इन सब बातों को अगर हम मद्देनज़र रखें जो हमने इससे पहले अभी पढ़ी हैं, तो फिर हमें ड्रकर, जिसे पूरी दुनिया में मैनेजमेंट का गुरु समझा जाता है, कि बात समझ में आती है कि जिसने ये कहा कि टाइम इज़ द लिमिटिंग फैक्टर फॉर इफ़ेक्टिव एग्जीक्यूटिव्स। यानी कि इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि तमाम एग्जीक्यूटिव मैनेजर्स के लिए जो बहुत कुछ करना चाहते हैं, इनके रास्ते में सिर्फ टाइम ही सबसे बड़ी रुकावट होती है। तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इस बात को अपने पल्ले बांध लें कि अगर आपने कामयाब होना है और दूसरों से आगे बढ़ना है और अपनी टाइम मैनेजमेंट स्किल को स्ट्रॉन्ग कर लें। मैं समझती हूँ कि अब आपको आज के लेक्चर की अहमियत का और भी ज़्यादा अंदाज़ा हो गया होगा कि ये टॉपिक हमारे लिए कितनी अहमियत का हामिल है। According to Ajay, time management reduces misunderstanding and confusion out the essential duties. If you don't have any ambiguity or misunderstanding about performing any duty, then definitely you can complete your task in a much better way. Time management creates an opportunity for carrying out the essential duties, क्योंकि आपको पता होगा कि कौन सा काम ज़रूरी है और मुझे कौन सा काम पहले करना है और कौन सा काम कम अहम है और इसे मुझे बाद में करना है. एंड देन टाइम मैनेजमेंट फैसिलिटेट्स जो है डेलीगेशन ऑफ ड्यूटीज़ टू staff. You can better understand that organization, in any organization, many people work and managers assign them different duties. The skill of time management makes these their duties to and their tasks more easier for managers because they keep the whole schedule of their time. जिसे देख के इन्हें पता चल जाता है कि कौन फारिग है और किस पर कितना जो है वो बर्डन है. और टाइम मैनेजमेंट ही है जो रिड्यूसेस कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स इन स्केड्यूल्स, एक्टिविटीज़ एंड इंटरपर्सनल रिलेशंस. और इसका फ़ायदा ये है कि ये आपके तय करदा औकात में जो है कोई परेशानी नहीं आने देता, क्योंकि आपको अपने तमाम मामूलात का जो है पहले से ही जो है वो इल्म होता है. टाइम मैनेजमेंट इंक्रीजेस द प्रोडक्टिविटी ऑफ स्टाफ because staff knows already that what they are expected to do within given time. It makes them to work with more dedication and finish their work in time, which increase their productivity and confidence as well. And then time management makes it easy for staff to meet deadlines. अगर आप अपने टाइम को मैनेज कर लें तो आपको अपने काम पर ख़त्म करने का अंदाज़ा हो जाएगा और आप अपना काम वक्त पर ख़त्म करने की कोशिश करेंगे. इसका मतलब है कि टाइम मैनेजमेंट हर काम आपके लिए जो है वो आसान बना देता है कि आप एक कैलकुलेटेड टाइम के मुताबिक अपने काम की डेडलाइंस को मीट कर लेते हैं और आप अपना काम मुकम्मल कर लेते हैं, जो आपको जो है तसल्ली और सुकून देता है, जिससे कि आपकी प्रोडक्टिविटी में, क्रिएटिविटी में और एफिशिएंसी में और ज़्यादा जो है वो इजाफ़ा हो जाता है. तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, you have seen time management have given us multifold benefits. There are many more. I have given few examples. Now we will see what the benefits of personal time management in our life. It looks to take control of many areas of your life. We do many things in our everyday life. You must have observed people complaining that due to lack of the time they were unable to complete their many things. For example, they couldn't submit their electricity bill in time and afterwards they pay surcharge on it. If they had the skill of time management, then they could have saved the money which they paid in mode of surcharge. Actually, if we look around carefully, you will acknowledge that time management helps you to control many areas of your daily lives. And then it's the only time management which increases productivity. क्योंकि टाइम मैनेजमेंट की वजह से हम अपने बहुत सारे काम जो करते हैं वो हमारे अपने लिए फ़ायदेमंद होते हैं. एंड टाइम मैनेजमेंट इज़ द ओनली थिंग विच मेक्स यू प्रोएक्टिव, जिसकी वजह से आप बहुत सारे होने वाले नुकसानात से जो हैं वो बच जाते हैं. And the main thing in this that it don't let you detract from your work which you are concentrating. And then what else we can say that time management जो है makes you become more organized, because there are so many things where you don't have any boss and you are responsible your own doings and your own work. So this is the only time management skill which makes you comfortable and which makes you organized to finish that task. It helps you to utilize time effectively. Time management also helps you gain time for yourself to relax and do the things you enjoy doing. और सबसे बड़ी बात ये है कि अगर आपकी टाइम मैनेजमेंट स्किल अच्छी है तो आप खुश रहने और अपने घर वालों के लिए वक्त निकाल के और उनके साथ जो है एंजॉय करते हैं, जिससे कि आपकी सोशबिलिटी भी बढ़ती है और आपको मेंटल सेटिस्फैक्शन भी जो है वो होती है. इससे पहले कि हम टाइम मैनेजमेंट की बात करें, मैं आपको टाइम के बारे में थोड़ी सी बातें बताना चाहूँगी ताकि आपको टाइम की अहमियत का जो है वो अंदाज़ा हो सके. कि अकॉर्डिंग टू ओजो एंड ओलियान, टाइम इज़ अ यूनिक रिसोर्स. One can buy any resources, one can hire through, one can rarely hire enough good people, but one cannot rent, hire, buy or get more time. You can get more money, more knowledge, more skills and more friends, more of almost anything except time. तो ये हमें इस चीज़ को ये बड़ी अच्छी तरह से सोचना है कि हाउ यूनिक रिसोर्स जो है ये टाइम है कि जिसको आप ख़रीद के बढ़ा ही नहीं सकते अपनी मर्ज़ी से. एंड देन द scarcest resource in the universe. When we talk about investing, we are usually discussing time, energy or money from them which we are constantly spending but not getting back is the time. And the other thing, time cannot be replaced by man. Objects can be replaced, but time cannot be replaced, as there will be time in our lives when things simply have to be replaced. As with the passage of time, all the objects related to us keep changing. Our clothes, books, necessities and stuff. कि जूं जूं हम बड़े होते जाते हैं हमारी हर चीज़, हमारी एज हमारे मिजाज के मुताबिक बदलती जाती है, लेकिन टाइम नहीं बदलता. टाइम कैन नॉट बी एक्यूमुलेटेड लाइक मनी. ऑल एम्प्लॉयज in legal working environment must have an understanding of the value of time, the cost of wasting time and techniques available to improve time management. And then time cannot be turned on and off like machine. कि we cannot just ask time to stop till we finish our task, or cannot ask time to bring back the time of 20 years ago when I was a young child. Do you think it's possible? आप में से ये कोई कर सकता है कि अगर मैं आपसे कहूँ कि आप अपने जो है क्लास 5th में चले जाएं और आप और टाइम वहीं पे ही ठहर जाए, या अगर आप कोई फंक्शन के अंदर हैं, आप कोई इन्जॉयमेंट किसी इवेंट में बहुत ज़्यादा कर रहे हैं, तो आप उस टाइम को क्या अगले 10-15 दिन के लिए सेम जगह पे रोक सकते हैं कि ना टाइम चेंज हो, ना जो है डेट चेंज हो? The drawbacks which we are going to discuss now are related to the managers. Lack of job security and poor working condition of employees. इसके अंदर हम इस चीज़ को बड़ा सीरियसली देखते हैं कि जिन मैनेजर्स की टाइम मैनेजमेंट स्किल अच्छी नहीं होती, वो हमेशा अपने मातहतों से सही तौर पर काम ले ही नहीं सकते, क्योंकि इन्हें इस बात का अंदाज़ा नहीं रहता कि किस काम को कितना वक्त लगेगा। इसलिए इनके सबॉर्डिनेट्स ऑलवेज बर्डनड रहते हैं, जिसकी वजह से इनकी परफॉर्मेंस जो है वो पुअर हो जाती है, और फिर ऐसे मैनेजर्स जो हैं उनकी नाकामी को नाअहली बनाकर नौकरी से निकाल देते हैं, जिससे दूसरे मुलाजमीन को भी अपनी जॉब की फ़िक्र रहती है और वो अपनी और ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से हर वक्त अनॉयड रहते हैं, और यही चीज़ जो है उनकी जो है वर्किंग एफिशिएंसी को और प्रोडक्टिविटी को जो है वो कम कर देती है। लैक ऑफ एडिक्वेट मेंटेनेंस ऑफ ह्यूमन रिसोर्स पॉलिसी जो है, अच्छी एंड गुड ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस always keep it in mind that they keep in their reserves so many resources, human resource and material resource. ऐसे मैनेजर्स जिनकी टाइम मैनेजमेंट स्किल ठीक नहीं होती, इनके अपने तजर्बात भी ठीक नहीं होते, तो वो अपनी गलतियों को दूसरों के सर पर डालते रहते हैं। इनकी इस आदत की वजह से वो हकीकत से ख़ुद भी बेखबर होते हैं, जिसकी वजह से इनकी ह्यूमन रिसोर्स पॉलिसी इज़ वेरी इनइफेक्टिव एंड रॉन्ग. Lack of proper structuring of the organization is another issue, which is required to have a new trend that would enhance its efficiency and make it feasible. Poor team building due to their lack of time management skill, they are always having conflicts with their colleagues. As a result, no one wants to work with them. Consequently, they fail to build a good team. And one of the worst thing of time management is that it directly affects on self-discipline. Good time management makes you disciplined, but if you are lacking this skill, then you always are in trouble, unable to finish tasks in time. As a result, they also lose their confidence in you as a manager. Major time management challenges for teachers. As you all are going to join teaching profession, in the next 2 or 3 slides we will discuss about the activities which you are going to do practically in your professional life. Organizing, managing and administrating time for teachers, prepare lectures, notes, taking tutorials, conducting continuous assessment for the students, setting examination questions, supervising final year students projects or supervising research, making assignments and scripts, and so many other co-curricular activities you got to fulfill those. तो उसके अंदर जो है ये सारी, जिसके अंदर यू गॉट टू डू गाइडेंस एंड काउंसलिंग टू द स्टूडेंट्स, और उनके लिए फिर अगर कोई बच्चा आपके पास जो है कोई क्वेश्चंस लेके आता है, कोई क्यूरी लेके आता है, कोई उसको आपकी सपोर्ट की, हेल्प की ज़रूरत होती है, तो एज अ टीचर आपको उसको भी फैसिलिटेट करना है, और उनकी कॉन्टीन्यूस जो असेसमेंट है, जो कि फॉर्मेटिव भी है और समेटिव भी है, जिसके अंदर आपको उसे साथ साथ लेके चलना है कि कहाँ पे उसको बच्चे को हमने एक्स्ट्रा टाइम देना है, एक्स्ट्रा रिसोर्सेज देने हैं, एक्स्ट्रा इंस्ट्रक्शंस देनी है, जिसकी वजह से वो अपने आप को दूसरी क्लास के मुताबिक जो हैं अपने स्किल्स में और अपने एग्ज़ाम्स के रिज़ल्ट्स के अंदर लेके आएँ। तो ये बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जिसके अंदर आपको एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव ड्यूटीज़ भी दी जाती हैं, जिस तरह से कि हमारे जो है एवरी वीक जो है कोई फंक्शंस होते हैं, सेमिनार्स होते हैं, और डिपार्टमेंटल ड्यूटीज़ टीचर्स की, फैकल्टी की लग जाती हैं, और जो सारे काम पैरेलल चल रहे होते हैं कि आपको अपनी क्लासेस भी लेनी है, आपको अपनी डेली रूटीन में जो है बच्चों की असाइनमेंट्स, उनकी क्वेरीज़ का जवाब भी देना है, फिर आपको स्टूडेंट्स काउंसलिंग भी करनी है, उनकी एडवाइजिंग, स्टूडेंट्स आपके पास आते हैं कोई भी मुश्किल या प्रॉब्लम या कोई इशू लेके, देन यू गॉट टू एड्रेस दैट, एंड देन in universities it's a compulsory part of your job to conduct research, and research is a matter of 24/7 कि you got to always engage student with the research topics, research material, research discussions, seminars, articles, and related topics which you are going to address that issue or idea. Then yeah, it's also very much time consuming for the teachers who are teaching in parallel to other departmental and administrative duties, and then it's not just enough, or it's not just these things happens within the premises of university. Then there are so many meetings and seminars and conferences abroad, nationally and internationally, and which you got to attend those meetings as the member of board of studies, or in any other organization where you've been invited as external examiner, or you are going there to take viva, and so on. So there are many things which are challenges for teachers to work parallel in a good time management, having a good time management skill, then you can do that, otherwise it will makes you frustrated. Another big challenge which teachers face, that's their social or family assignments, and they got to manage their duties at household tasks, and performing their duties and responsibilities to look after children, to look after children's studies, to visit family and friends, and because it goes parallel with the life, that work and family together. But sometimes if the time management skill is good, then these challenges become easier for teachers to handle, that they can make schedule for their household things, their groceries, their meetings with their family members, to attend parties and birthday parties, wedding anniversaries, and marriage parties of family. And then apart from that, teachers have got their own matrimonial life, in which they got to keep balance of work and family. And that is the biggest social responsibility of teachers, that there should be balance in both lives, working life and family life. And these family assignments can be facilitated and can be enjoyable if that is understood by family and by the teacher, that where they could draw a line, that yes, I got to make my time management skill appropriate, that I should not lag behind my office work, and I should not be leaving my family alone to handle all the things without me as a teacher. And that is why the time management challenges in social and family assignments are very important to manage appropriately. And it will give you better view, that if your social and family assignments are fulfilling accurately and sufficiently nicely, so it means that your time management skill जो है cover this challenge very nicely. The third challenge in time management for teachers is to that indisciplined socialization of teachers. They are unable to draw line between what to do and what not to do. और ये कि वो चाहते हैं कि वो सारी मीटिंग्स अटेंड कर लें, और उनकी जो है क्योंकि टाइम मैनेजमेंट स्किल नहीं होती, तो दे जॉइन ऑल ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस दैट कम देयर वे, एंड देन ये कभी हो ही नहीं सकता कि वो अपने आप को फोकस्ड रखें कि इफ़ आई एम डूइंग वर्क आई शुड नॉट अटेंड एनी फ़ोन कॉल, बिकॉज it disturbs your fluency of thought which you are doing at that time. And then they picks all phone calls which comes whether they are relevant to the work or not. And then social networking, Facebook, Twitter, Yahoo Messenger, WhatsApp, and then they keep looking at by now and then very frequently looking at those sites to see, to update them that what to do and how they are is there, they don't want to miss anything in those social websites. And then there is always, their door is open, they don't say no to anyone at any time, that I am working, please don't disturb me at this time. And their door is always open for visitors to come, sit, talk, and waste time working in during working hours. And there are so many other time wasting habits which those teachers who do not keep time management challenge in mind, then they can be very indisciplined in the way to handle their daily routines and activities. As Elizabeth and None has pointed out very rightly, that it is not an easy task to manage time efficiently and wisely, because educational organizations are dealing with human beings and their knowledge, activities, and using time diligently is an indispensable management tool. As you have seen that some teachers become confused and find it difficult to manage their time efficiently. um,
Wisely dividing time in educational setting is a must thing for teachers to handle this challenge. All the successes and failures of life are dependent on time management skill, and everybody knows this very well. Now we are going to discuss time management strategies that, according to few researchers, the educational manager can manage the little time at his disposal through the following procedures. And in which they says that evaluate every job and identify the task to be performed, and there must be objectives and goals for its accomplishment, and analyze that how you spend your time each day. Armstrong states that this can be done by identifying time consuming activities through the use of the diary, that we got to keep diary. And for best time management strategy, if we keep writing down the things that what we want to do in tomorrow or this week or this year, then it means that it will give instigation to handle forthcoming events in an appropriate way. And then planning and organizing daily work, map out, do mind mapping of what to accomplish, and what are the priorities, and what could be done weekly, monthly, and yearly basis, and what to how to handle meetings, and how to arrange functions, and how to delegate duties to make those functions successful. These all strategies and things tells that if the manager knows that how to handle the above mentioned challenges in an appropriate way, then the managers need to adapt the strategies, time management strategies, to get better results, and then to be make prosperous and productive environment in that organization. And further I want to discuss that related to time management strategies, that organize all the workers by writing down what they are expected to accomplish, like timetable should be mentioned, monitored through the year heads. The secretaries should aware of the day's targets, that how to accomplish, who is coming, who is visiting, and when dealing with visitors, go straight to the point, and don't talk so many vague things and make your discussions longer. Be fair but firm in your dealing with employees and visitors. Learn to say no or yes without fear or favor. Be of a good and attentive listener during conversations, so that you will know exactly what to say. Reserve quiet times for yourself to do some jobs that does not require interruptions. Reduce interruptions in form of cell phones, visitors, कि कुछ चीज़ें ऐसी होती हैं जो आपको क्वाइट टाइम जिनके लिए दरकार होता है, जिनके लिए जो आपने डिसीशंस लिखने होते हैं, जो आपने समझ के किसी चीज़ों का जवाब देना होता है, उसके लिए अपने लिए टाइम, क्वाइट टाइम का जो है वो बंदोबस्त करें. लर्न टू टेक अ ब्रेक. वर्किंग फॉर लॉन्ग टाइम और पीरियड विदाउट ब्रेक इज़ नेवर एन इफ़ेक्टिव यूज़ ऑफ टाइम, क्योंकि यह आपको, आपके जहन को और जिस्म को जो है ये थका देता है. इसलिए आपको काम करने के दौरान टाइम मैनेजमेंट स्ट्रेटजी में ये अपने लिए टाइम आउट ज़रूर रखना चाहिए. टेक अ ब्रेक फॉर योर healthy, smooth and happy continuity towards production. We are going to nearly finish, and Elizabeth and Noyan at the end, they are saying that they made some recommendations for educational teachers regarding effective time management, that educational managers should set up a daily routine and fix deadlines for the accomplishment of all jobs. Important matters should not be postponed. One time at a time, and he or she should always write out ideas as soon as he has them in the right place. And then another thing, that each passes day set a task and try to finish at least this task before you go home. And other recommendation, that avoid taking work home unless you are sure you can do something about it. Last but not the least, that think first before you act. Nothing is so urgent that there is no time to consider the decision making process. Time spent on planning is never wasted. Today we have gone through lots and lots of topics and things related to time management, and now it's time to recap the lecture. In today's lecture, time management, we studied about that time management makes you able that how to use your time to perform your duties efficiently, diligently and successfully. Time management not only tells you to set targets and goals, but also tells you to manage the time to achieve these goals as well. These two pages are for references for your further reading, and now we are going to discuss time management strategies that, according to few researchers, the educational manager can manage the little time at his disposal through the following procedures. And in which he say they skill. And for any question, please do not hesitate to contact me on Google Classroom, and I will reply individually to your questions. Thank you very much for today's lecture.